of younger skin, making it more flexible and thicker. Well, it's when we're young, it's the most abundant protein in the body. It holds together our bones and our skin. It's a wonderful protein, but we don't make enough of it as we get older.
So collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's important for your muscle, hold it together, and your skin. And as you get older, you make less collagen and you degrade it, and leads to the look of aging. But it's an essential protein, and it's a really interesting one from a biochemical, a biologist standpoint. It's made as a triple helix, not double helix like DNA, but it's triple. And to stabilize it, because it needs to be there for years, the cell does what's called hydroxyl prolylation, and it just puts little oxygen and hydrogens onto collagen, and that stabilizes it. And what this ends up doing is it acts as a little signal to cells when they see this hydroxylation. It can actually do good things. And so what has been discovered is that when you eat collagen, it actually does seem to, and some clinical trials seems to improve hair and skin, and promote the growth of muscle cells and differentiation, turning them into muscle cells. How does it do that? Well, I was skeptical. From what I know, if you eat collagen, which is a protein, it's unlikely to work because your body will digest it and you'll just have amino acids, and amino acids are amino acids. I'm open to the idea that eating digested collagen in the form of gummies or drinks, there are various ways to take it in, could actually do what the Chinese have been saying for centuries, which is it promotes the growth of things that are made of collagen as well. I mean, the ones that are important, they go by various names. There's one called hydroxyl glycine, the other one's hydroxylproline. But basically, it's just proline with another amino acid or two next to it with that oxygen and hydrogen. But you don't need to know that. It's just interesting from a scientist's point of view that there potentially the body says, oh, there's a wound. There's collagen being released and digested. I need to grow that wound and heal it. And by eating collagen, you can actually get these dipeptides into your body. They can be found in the bloodstream, and that might be how they're promoting skin growth, hair growth, and even wound healing.
And right now, those drugs are not available, as far as I know, for topical treatment. But actually, Dr. Baroni, then took that finding and then used that little skin explant beta-gal stain, which is blue, to look for peptides, small little proteins that we talked about in the last episode. Which one of those 700 and something peptides, if any, had age reversal effects, got rid of that blue senescent stain and reversed the clock?
Behind having a peptide in a cream is what?
So we don't know exactly how this peptide makes the skin younger, but one of the downstream effects, one of the benefits, certainly is involving the COL-A1 gene that makes the protein collagen, which we've known for over 50 years to be an important component of younger skin, making it more flexible and thicker. Well, it's when we're young, it's the most abundant protein in the body. It holds together our bones and our skin. It's a wonderful protein, but we don't make enough of it as we get older. And that's why beauty products in particular want to boost that production. But you can also smear it on, put it in powders, put it in drinks, take it as a pill. Energy drinks have it in it. The question, though, is it useful? Is eating collagen going to be good? Well, one thing I can say for sure is that collagen's made up of a lot of amino acids. You know, to get the right ratio of collagen amino acids from those products. Whether or not the collagen itself makes it into your bloodstream after being degraded in your stomach
like
and in the gut.
Acids.
Yeah, so there's a big debate about whether these products are working by being broken down and rebuilt or actually make it into the body as an intact peptide of string of amino acids. And I would say the jury's well and truly still out on those things. There's no harm in taking collagen, and probably what it's making sure is that you don't have any deficiencies in the amino acids you need to make this most abundant protein in the body.